Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Piston Makeover. So guys, today I'm back again with
the Perseverance guys.
We're going to be reacting to Home Free. Yeah guys, Home Free again. They're going to be singing Man of Constant Sorrow. Guys, I've done this before, so I want to check it out with the Perseverance. So without further ado, let's get started.
Yeah, the kings of acapella, guys.
I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days.
Yes!
I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised. The place where he was born and
I love this.
Legend! These guys are good.
4 or 6 long years I've been in trouble. No pleasures here on earth I've found. For in this world I'm bound to ramble. I have no friends to help me now. He has no friends to help him now.
Guys, what I love most about this particular song is the backup. Like when they back them up, when they sing together is so unique. Guys, this is a wonderful performance. Home Free, they are made specially in heaven. Like God just took a special time for this set of people because their voice it's so unique. Like the melody in it, the harmony, the style, the way they pitch their voice, every bit of it is amazing, guys. The way they just sing this song, you just feel it's their own because they own the song. They sing with so much love and they explain it in so much detail, and they're just so unique and so wonderful. I love the vocal, I love the way they use it, I love the way that they make their own beat, guys. That is so difficult to do, but they do it. The style of music is different, it's so unique. It's not something you see regularly. It's so unusual and so amazing. Whenever they're singing, you just know they're going to give you a wonderful performance because they put a lot of effort and a lot of time to create something beautiful every time. How's it for you?
Guys, this is really beautiful, guys. Home Free. This is my first time checking this out and I freaking love it. Yeah, the kings of acapella, guys. Their way of making beats, it baffles me, guys, and sounds. I don't know how to do it, but it is really satisfying to listen to, and I love the brotherly bonds between them. It is really special for me, guys. This is really special. This music over here, guys, I'm really enjoying myself, and I just want to keep on watching and see what more they have to offer. You know how to do it. Let's get into it.
It's fairly well.
You understand the song? I like it.
True lover, I never expect to see you again. To ride that northern railroad, perhaps I'll die upon this train. Perhaps he'll die upon this train.
Oh my gosh!
You can bury me in some deep valley for many years where I may live. Then you may learn to love another while I am sleeping in my grave.
While he is sleeping in his grave. Maybe your friends think I'm just a stranger. My face you'll never see no more. But there is one promise promise that is given. I'll meet you on God's golden shore.
He'll meet you on God's golden shore.
Here we go.
Hey. Oh my goodness.
I love this.
Wow. Hopefully you guys are really good. If you are watching Peace and Makeover Peace video right here, guys, you guys are legend. You guys are freaking good. I enjoyed every part of this. I'm shocked, and I'm really surprised by the way they able to make the beats. That part, I don't know how it was that, but it is really beautiful. It gives life to the music more, guys. I love that about it. I love the harmony, guys. I love the bonds between the, I said that before. I love the, how should I use the word? Coordination. The coordination. I love how they're like able to coordinate themselves and know who goes before the other. I love that about it. I know this took them a lot of practice, a lot of effort, guys, because it is really shown in the music. Their efforts show right here, guys. I love the lyrics of the song. I love the expression to it, guys. This is really beautiful for me. How was it for you?
Humphrey, you guys are amazing. You guys' performances are always incredible and unique. I can never get tired of watching this because each time you just put it on, you just blow my mind over and over again. This is a wonderful piece. Your voice is so amazing. I love it. I just love it. I love the guy with the deep voice. Like, this is why I fell in love with him, because his voice was so deep and so incredible. Yeah, it's just so satisfying. Just feel okay, guys. I just love the performance and the guy making the beat. Like, how do you do that? What is your secret? Because I'm just trying to imagine the way you use your voice and you do something like that. It's so incredible and it's unimaginable. This is a wonderful piece. I'm so happy and so blessed we got to react to this, and I just can't get tired of this because I'm just going through it again. I'm like, wow, this is wonderful. You guys are so good and so unique. This is so incredible. So guys, please don't know what to think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, please make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. We'll see you in the next one.